Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover the OG Labs Airdrop. This is a project with 325 million in funding and even more. We are going to check all the details because last week they launched the new testnet. So all the things that you are going to do on this video are free. So if you are looking for free airdrops, this is probably one of the best that you can do now besides Monad and others that we cover in our channel. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, OG Labs, we covered it in my private Discord a couple of times. In YouTube, this is the first time that we cover, and they launched the version 3 of the testnet. OG Labs is the largest DAI Layer 1 ecosystem, a modular AI chain featuring a scalable programmable data availability layer tailored for AI DApps. So super focus on AI, a layer 1. And important points about the project, like we mentioned, they raised 325 million from Animoca Brands, Delphi Ventures, Samsung Next, OKX Ventures, Alchemy and others. All can be confirmed here on their official website. You can see here that actually the funding rounds was 325, but with the no sale information, this is putting everything, the total raise, in $360 million. So this is a very big project. Part of the no sales ended on January of this year, so this is also very recently. And the testnet version 3 Galileo just launched. You can confirm this in their official network like Twitter. The Newton testnet saw 2.5 million unique wallets, so that was the previous testnet, 350 million transactions and 530k smart contracts. Galileo is the most powerful version of OG to date, so let's defy gravity. Anyways, so this is already launched and we can start interacting with the new testnet for a possible airdrop. So going to the step by step, the first thing that you need to do is add the OG testnet network, now the Galileo network. To do that, here is the official network information for that. So here you have a button to click and add directly to MetaMask, or you can add manually with this information. Remember to put all the information correctly if you want this to be working correctly. In my case, I just click on add to MetaMask and you can see OG testnet is already added, and I am already, if I open my MetaMask here, you will see that I am already here on the Galileo testnet. Now the point 2 is get the Faucet. There's an official Faucet and you need to go and connect with your X account. Then you enter your wallet and you complete the CAPTCHA and you can get the requested Faucet tokens. So point 2, go to the Faucet OG link. Here you need to connect with your X account, of course. Click on the CAPTCHA and now you are able to put the wallet that you want and click the request AOCI token. Processing, please wait, and everything it should be okay. Transaction successful, so now you should receive these tokens on your wallet. And you can see here I have some OG tokens, value at 0.43. Remember, all this is testnet, doesn't have any market value really. So with this 0.1 OG you can start interact here, and remember to claim daily, so you try to accumulate more each day. Now the point 3 is go to the Zero exchange. You can connect your wallet and change the network to version 3, which is Galileo. Go to the Faucet tab, request all the testnet tokens that you got from the Faucet, and after that you will be able to swap and enter liquidity. So go to the Zero exchange link. Here you can connect your wallet. Now click here on Faucet and start claiming all the available tokens that you have here. For example, Bitcoin. You will need to pay the fee, of course, on OG. That is why you need that Faucet token first. After this is successful, you can add OG testnet if you didn't do, or add the tokens. So I will click on add tokens. So I can add the balance here of Bitcoin. Now I go and do the same with Ethereum and USDT. So now if you go to your wallet, you should be able to see some of the other testnet tokens, 10,000 USDT, 10 Ethereum, 0.1 Bitcoin. So with this, we go to the swap section and also to pools, and we swap tokens and we enter liquidity. So the swap was successful, so I already sent some Bitcoin to USDT. You also can go again to the pools and add some liquidity. Put here the amount that you want, approve the Ethereum, USDT, and you will be done. After you finish that, remember that all the interactions on Zero Exchange are a recurrent task. So if you are using my Airdrop application, remember that you will need to do that more than once. That is why you can set the alarm so you receive notifications and emails with a reminder to continue doing this over time. Now point 4, you can deploy a contract, so connect your wallet into contracts mint air, select OG network, then select ERC20 and deploy an ERC20 standard contract. Very easy to do, just go here, connect the wallet, and you have many other networks here. For example, you have Mega 8, Testnet, so I recommend you to go and also deploy some contract here. You have the Somnia Testnet that we already covered it too, Monet Testnet, so try to do a couple of deployments on these networks. The same for Inc and also Sonium. These are all active airdrops that we are doing, but for the video we are using OG Galileo Testnet version 3, so click there, ERC20 contract, click here, put the name for this ERC20 token, switch the chain, and you will be able to mint and deploy this. So click on deploy and confirm the deploy of the contract. Here you will need to go to the last part and confirm, and you can see contract deployed successfully, so you already did this very well. Now remember, you can do the same with Mega Ethereum and the other projects that we mentioned. That is basically all the things that you can do on Galileo right now. There are a couple of other things that I want to show you about this project, and the last point is very important, so keep seeing the video. First is that they are bringing a ton of partnerships. If you check their X account, you will see, for example, on the last week almost, they announced a partnership with OG Labs. This is Intuition project, and they also got another partnership here that was disclosed on this specific conference with Radar Block. So this is another important thing that happened on the ecosystem. And if you keep checking their X account, you will find a ton of information of the project, what they are doing. Right now, this week, there are an on-chain AI. So today is happening this. So you can check if you want and participate at 2 p.m. EST. And of course, join the X and Discord account for roles and more. So of course, it's recommended to follow the official social media. And the point 8 is that keep an eye on the OG hub when they get Galileo integrated. So go to this link. This was official for the previous testnets. Right now, the announcement is the testnet of Galileo, so your OG balance is coming soon. This was resetted on the version 3. So now we are expecting for this to get into the Galileo launch. You can see Swap is coming soon, Bridge is coming soon. The Faucet is going to send you to the Faucet that we already use it. But keep an eye here, so when this is integrated with Galileo, you will be able to start earning OG balance again here. That is all, guys, for the OG Labs airdrop on the launch of the testnet version 3. This is free to do, you're not spending any money. They have a big funding, so this is recommended to apply. If you want more alpha, like always, that happens in my private Discord and my airdrop application, where you can apply to these airdrops very easily and directly, super organized. Remember, we have our cryptocurrency store with 15 products with custom designs that we did related to crypto and airdrops. So we have more than max, but you will find all the different things here on the store powered by Spring, so you can buy confidently that you are going to receive what you buy. So everything is cool here. And finally, the NFT collection that is still open and active, guys. You are earning 10% on the tokens that we use for yield farming. That is going to be translated each month on USDC. We were able to do a 10% monthly until January. Last month, we were able to do a 4% of the value of the NFT on USDC, and I think we are confident that this month is going to be more lucrative. So we have been outperforming the market. So if you just hold your Ethereum, you will be losing money instead of having these NFTs that are rewarding you passively with passive income. So those are all the 3 things that we offer here at Cryptocurrency State: the NFTs for passive income, the merchandising, and of course the subscriptions to our private community. That will be all, guys, for this video. If you like it, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.